Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest innovations in personal transportation. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the HIMO C26 electric bike. This electric bike is designed to revolutionize your commuting experience, offering a blend of convenience, style, and eco-friendliness. Let's dive right into the world of the HIMO C26 electric bike and discover what sets it apart from the rest. Efficient electric power. The HIMO C26 is powered by a reliable electric motor that provides you with smooth and efficient propulsion. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling hills, this bike offers the support you need. Long-lasting battery. With its high-capacity battery, the HIMO C26 allows you to travel for extended distances on a single charge. Say goodbye to range anxiety and enjoy your ride to the fullest. Pedal assist. The bike features a pedal assist system that seamlessly blends electric power with your pedaling efforts. This not only extends your range but also provides a comfortable and efficient riding experience. Stylish design. The HIMO C26 boasts a sleek and modern design that's sure to turn heads wherever you go. It's not just a mode of transportation, it's a fashion statement. Durable build. Built to withstand the rigors of daily commuting, this electric bike features a robust frame and high-quality components. It's designed to be your reliable companion for years to come. Cargo capacity. Need to carry groceries, work essentials, or other items? The HIMO C26 comes equipped with ample cargo space, making it a practical choice for urban errands. LED display. Stay informed about your ride with the bike's intuitive LED display. It provides essential information like speed, battery status, and more at a glance. Safety features. Your safety is a top priority. The HIMO C26 includes features like responsive brakes and bright LED lights to ensure you're visible and in control, day or night. Adjustable seat. Customize your riding experience with an adjustable seat that caters to your comfort, whether you're tall or short. In conclusion, the HIMO C26 electric bike represents a new era in urban commuting. With its efficient electric power, long-lasting battery, stylish design, and practical features, it's a game-changer in personal transportation. Say goodbye to traffic jams and hello to a more eco-friendly and convenient way of getting around. Thank you for joining us as we explored the HIMO C26 electric bike. If you found this video informative, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and sharing it with others who are looking for an exciting and sustainable mode of transportation. Until next time, enjoy the ride.